Hi guys, and welcome to one of the last videos of 2018, although technically not the last one, as that one is coming out on Sunday. I wanted to use this video to thank all of you guys who have been watching, commenting, and supporting my channel in 2018. A special thank you goes to my patrons over at Patreon and those who donated money via PayPal. But also all of you guys who watch my videos without ad blockers, because basically you bring revenue to the channel as well. Now 2018 was very explosive when it comes to videos and also subscribers. So I managed to publish more than 100 videos last year alone, this year. Well, 115 to be more exact, which is quite a lot, especially given that each one of these videos has to be prepared, recorded, edited, and uploaded. That does require a lot of time and effort, but I told myself I'll keep doing this as long as I'm having fun, which I have to admit I still am. Also, subscribers that have been about 3,000 at the beginning of this year have now reached more than 20,000, which I'm very grateful for. As for watches, there were some that really blew my mind and some that were a bit of a disappointment. When it comes to those that I really enjoyed filming and enjoyed having, one has to be my King Seiko 45. I feel more in love with that watch now than I was the first time when I got it, and that speaks a lot. I especially fell in love with it after I received that transparent case back, so I could enjoy the movement. And a quick update on that, because if you watched my video, there were some of you who got interested. I said I'm going to try to contact a few manufacturers to ask them if they're willing to produce one. Well, I finally found one that's going to give a go at making these at around $50. But since it's the holiday season, we're going to continue communication after that. But I will keep you posted. Another watch that I really enjoyed and still do is my Sturmanskie. I really love the story behind that watch and I love the looks. Another two that really impressed me were the Tesei Bronze from Spinnaker and the Seiko Bell-matic that was loaned to me from a member of Portal Satova. Those two really blew my mind, but the absolute king of this year of 2018, and the most beautiful watch I pretty much ever handled has to be the Tudor Big Rose. That thing really blew my mind away. And no matter how good you think it looks in the video, trust me, in person, it looks even better. Now when it comes to disappointments, I'm just gonna name the biggest one, and that's the Boulevard Devil Diver reissue. Now the watch itself is not really bad. They do charge a lot for a watch that's powered by the basic Miyota 8215 and comes with a stamped clasp, but that's not the source of my disappointment. My biggest disappointment is because I'm really in love with the original Devil Diver, and when they announced they're going to be doing a reissue, I was kind of hoping they're going to make the exact copy, which they failed to do. And that brings us to my watch plans for 2019. So in 2019, I do plan on getting the original Devil Diver. I know I said I'm going to try to do it in 2018, but one got snagged right before me and it was in perfect condition for the perfect amount of money. So I will try to hunt one down in 2019. Another watch that I'm going to try to get is a certain Seiko model that I don't want to mention just right now because I want to reduce the amount of potential hunters for that exact watch. But once I get it, trust me, you will know. Anyways, that's it when it comes to this video and pretty much this year. I wish you all the best in the following 2019 with as many watches as possible and as few angry spouses as possible. Thank you all for watching and see you next year.